Okay, I'm back. I just had to do something real quick. My camera died, so I just had to charge it a little. But now, yeah, it's getting kind of severe, but not that severe. At least not yet. Holy crap. This is gonna be good. Hell yeah. Let's go. It's still bright out, surprisingly. Like, look. It's dark, but it's light too. Like, I mean, what the heck? How? Okay. Shoot. No, I'm not running this time. If you thought I was, no. No. I'm not going to run. Alright, the wind is really starting to pick up, as you can tell from the trees. They're really starting to pick up. Holy. Oh, I felt rain. I felt rain. I felt some rain. That might be a vortex on the ground, but I'm not sure because I don't live anywhere that has tornadoes. At least not often. They are super rare here. They're not common, not at all. You are very lucky to see a tornado in this country because, well, not country. It's more of a county, country. But jeez. The heck? No, I heard that. Why did I hear that? Why? But jeez. There's still a bit of light out. We're not completely in darkness. And I forgot that I left something out here. It was an axe. I forgot to put it away. So I'm doing that right now. Shoot. Got her. Alright. Those have actually gotten darker, at least to my view. Wow. This is... Wow. Wow. I love storms. They are very interesting to me. But never, well, not in a long time have I seen a storm like this before. Well, I've seen it before, just not in a long time. But wow. Yeah. I thought that was gonna happen soon. I thought. I'm not going to do that. Not yet, at least. I was going to middle finger the storm, but I didn't. I just wanted to see if it would do something if I did. But I'm not going to, at least not yet. Jeez. It's so dark but light out at the same time. Gee. That was too loud for my own comfort. But I'm still gonna be outside. I'm just gonna be in the garage. That's it. You know what? Screw it. I'm doing it. Screw it. I'm doing it. I don't care anymore. I'm doing this all for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys. I feel no rain. Okay. Yeah? Oh, jeez. That was lightning. Alright. It's really starting to get severe now. Well, at least kind of severe. I'm just going to be waiting. So, I'll turn the camera back on when it gets more severe.